Hey there, photographers. Brenda Petrella here, and welcome to another episode of PhotoPills Friday, where we unlock the power of the PhotoPills app and help you learn it without all the confusion. In today's quick tip episode, I'm going to answer a question I get a lot, and that is, can I use PhotoPills if I'm in an area without any cell service? And the answer is yes and no. So let me explain what I mean. The great news is that all of the tools and calculators known as pills are functional even when offline. Even the widgets, which I show you how to set up in episode 1, and the augmented reality features are available as well. And that's all well and good, but is the planner available offline? And that's what most people want to know. So yes, the planner is available offline if you have preloaded a map into the planner while you are still in service. And the reason for this is because the map view is stored in the cache memory of your device. So if you load the map before you head out, then it will still be available once you are offline. Technically, you can still load a plan or point of interest into the planner when you're out of service. However, it will be very difficult to zoom in and get any practical information off of the map. So let's dive into the app and see how we can use the planner while offline. I'm going to load a random point of interest into the planner. And once it's loaded, my red pin is now on that point of interest. The key step is to zoom way in before you leave service so that you get a decent resolution of the map stored in the phone's memory cache. I'm going to now switch my phone to airplane mode. And now a little message pops up that just tells me that I don't have any internet connection, and I'm just going to click OK. You can see that I still have access to the map, and as I zoom in and out, I still have pretty good resolution. I can also use the timeline. I can activate and deactivate different map layers. And I can also use the different panels available up at the top bar. I can even switch on and use any of the icons available in the map toolbar, which I explained in episode 11. And I can even quit the app and return to it, and everything will be in the planner where I left it. So another cool thing is that you can still save a new point of interest or plan while offline as well. You just won't have access to the altitude information until once you get back into service. The only downside of this workaround for working offline is that because the map is stored in the cache memory of your phone, if your phone is running out of space, the cached maps might get deleted. But generally, this is a very handy feature to have when you're trekking out into remote areas. So keep learning, keep practicing, hit subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.